Hi guys, this is Michael Alexander with Coinsider. Thanks for joining another Quick Charts. It's May 27th, about 5:30 p.m. New York time. Today we have three analysts, and if you're not familiar with Quick Charts, we bring you the top analyst all in one page like this page to show you the direction of crypto or Bitcoin so you don't miss out on that next big move. So this can save you a lot of time and research, and we bring it all in one page for you. And also, if you're not familiar how to navigate Quick Charts, we have a link, a demo link in the description. Just please follow that, and let's get right into the charts today. So each color represents one analyst, so this is two different viewpoints. The green has two different viewpoints. The red here has mainly one viewpoint, no specifics. If there's no specifics from the analyst, I just put the main direction for his prediction, and also the names are right here in the color of who they are. And we have on the bottom the actual analyst charts themselves, which we'll go over in part 2. So let's just go over the main price points to look for and predictions. This dotted line is just main areas to look for right here. So we're starting at around 7,300 right now. We have the main areas it's going down to is about 69 to 7,100 zone right here. The green has it to about 7,100. Let's say a little below that, and from there it can go two ways. It can bounce. It can go up this way, or it can actually go down to the 6450 area. The blue is looking to go under 7,000, and if it goes under 7,000, we probably will have a bounce from oversold conditions, and we're going to have a bounce back up. Or the blue has us going straight up to this key price point area, where if we break this area, then we're going to see more highs here. And then the red has a much more bearish scenario, just going downwards, which I will discuss in detail below. So that was it for the quick charts for this one page summary right here of three analysts. Now let's get into the candle charts. Our first analyst is Alicio. May 27th. We have here a major price action point. He said that if we break below the 0.618, most likely we're going to fall down to the next major supporting area, which is 64.54. There is a little range, but this is the major area that we should see support at. And then we have chart guys right here, which they believe that we should see a bounce also of oversold conditions, specifically the 4-hour and the 1-day RSI. 1 day is getting too close to the 30 on the daily RSI, and historically when we've reached that 1-day RSI at 30, we have a bounce. So if we have a bounce, then we should see the next price move back up to these areas right here. So the chart guys would be blue. So if we have a bounce here, blue at 60, let's say just under $7,000, 69.50, we should see a bounce and possibly go to the previous highs, which is around 7,600, 7,662 specifically, which they want to see that if we can break this area, we'll probably go higher, because we're entering into a triple top situation where we've had two tops, and this will be the third one. And again, just this is their point that they want you to look at. Okay. So that's chart guys, and then we have Real Crypto. Real Crypto is comparing us to 2014, where over here is 2004. 2014 is over here, where he draws just a trend line down like this, and we have this trend line, and when we broke it, we're on this side of the trend line. Here we're on this side, but then we have another trend line, which is this longer one. Similar, the white one is comparable to this blue one right here. So if we draw out this blue one, it's taking us some time in order to finally bottom, and that bottom was about right here, about $152, until we went sideways and then we went up. So here we would be, he's saying that we need to still have that capitulation phase where we are beneath this white line, and we should bottom somewhere. And when we bottomed here, we bottomed at about 85% from the top, or 86% from the top. The top was at about $1,200, and $152 from 1,200 is about an 86% move downward. So if we have a similar 86% move downward, he drew it out right here, we should end up at about $2,900, which would be that 86% move downward. So that's his bearish view in the long term, that we're going to stay under this white line right here, similar how we stayed in 2014. 2014, of course, he presents the argument that 2014 is not the same as 2018. There are much different scenarios where 2018 is moving much faster, about 60% faster than 2014, but he does show some similarities. Just it's up to you to decide what you think. I'm just presenting his arguments in case, which are very interesting. And that's it for our analyst today. We had the 3 analysts for you, Alicio and the chart guys, and Real Crypto. They're all on YouTube. You should go check them out and follow them. They give excellent information. And again, just like the quick charts here for you, where you have major lines to look for and just price movement. So thanks for joining me today on another quick charts for May 27th in the PM in New York, and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a great day, guys.